the shade, hunty, the shade of it all. So this video is going to be my makeup artist confessions. So I've done some things in my career. Yep, I have. And I'm gonna confess some more on that. I may not remember everything that I've done because I'm a saint. But no, I may not remember everything because I'm not going to remember everything I've done. But one that's on top of my head right now, boo, is a client contacted me. And I may call this part one, depends on how my life goes. It's maybe part one of a lot of videos. A client contacted me. Well, someone contacted me. Because clients is when you get their money and the service do and so. No one never get no service, never do. So someone contacted me and they wanted their makeup to be done. So I sent over my price list. Not in JMD, it's in US dollars. So I sent over my price list, and it's a cute little thing I have like already pre-done, so it's easy for me rather than having she just type over everything. Oh gosh, here we go again, you know. So I have it pre-done, sent it over, and then she goes, what's the money in Jamaican dollars? And I'm like, I'm sorry, it's not. Oh no, I sent her my price list, and then she goes, can I have your number? And I'm like, I don't mean to, no, what did I say? I'm like, I'm sorry, my number is only for clients who have, you know, pay the deposits and stuff like that. Just for clients, I don't just give up my number to anybody. To be honest, this is my reason. I have to be getting money to give you my number, honey, because what will happen is that anybody can contact me. People they don't like me, you know, so people can just contact me as a client wanting to book me and then get my number and then just completely annoy me for the rest of the time that I have that number. And I had an incident 2 years ago where somebody had my number and it just got completely out of control. I got death threats. I was harassed publicly, privately. It was horrible. So because of that, I keep my number extremely private. No, that's my personal reason behind it. I don't need to tell nobody that except you guys. I just told you guys. By the way, hi, if you're new to my channel. Hi, what's up? So I didn't say all of that to the person. I just let them know that I'm sorry, but I only keep my numbers out to clients. And then he or she goes, please cancel the appointment. And my response was, you're never booked. Thanks for the consideration. Cut like a knife. I ain't got no response from him or her since, honey. And let me tell you, you see, because I'm a professed Christian, people think they can come to me, they're bull. But honey, I'm the wrong one. I'm like my Savior Jesus. I don't play that, honey. He don't play that, I don't play that. If you die, you see this glow? It's heavenly. I do not play that like my Lord and Savior, honey. I do not. I don't play that. So I wasn't about to be, oh, okay, I'm sorry that I couldn't get, nah, boo-boo, you were never booked. In order to be booked, you have to make a deposit. No money, no booking. No deposit, no day service. Okay, I know do for you. I know do for you, honey. I know do for you. I know do for you, honey. So that is confession number one. That's the most recent one. Right now, I'm trying to remember what else have I done. I had somebody sit in a chair. I can't say my chair because I didn't bring the chair to the location. Sit in my chair, the chair. And annoyed the heck. I've never experienced annoyance at that level before in my life from a client. I have. This is the second time. From the moment he or she sat in my chair, he or she was just, oh, I don't want that. Oh, I don't want that. No, I don't. That's too much. Oh God, let me see a mirror. Oh gosh, that's too much. And as an artist, not just as a makeup artist, as an artist, while you're creating, to have somebody constantly nitpick at every single thing that you do gets frustrating. Separate and apart from being an artist, being a human being, to have somebody nitpick at you when you are in the middle of your craft, about to start your craft, nearing your craft, it's annoying, and it does hit you at your psyche. Now you're wondering, am I not doing this right? But her eye shape calls for this look. Her brow shape calls for this. Her tone doesn't, it's not, you know what you're doing. So never let anybody, anybody nitpick at you and make you feel like you don't know what you're doing. If you've been trained, if you have the confidence, mama, you know what you're doing. Do not, hunty, don't. So he or she went on to just be a total pain in the rear. And I was over it. I was over it. I was over it. I was over it. He or she's makeup was not done to my standard. I have a standard. LyricRochester, aka Lyric, I have a standard. I'm gonna not let you ease about that chair until your makeup is there. Okay, just saying. And this person just kept on nitpicking at, don't put on that, don't, too much, stop now, done. I was like, finished. You done? Yes. I was so obviously annoyed. I was so annoyed. I was so annoyed. Oh my god, I was so annoyed. That was my confession. I have asked he or she's face, I have asked their face at their request. And I did not be the professional and say to he or she that no, this is what needs to be done because of the event that's going to be taking place. I didn't. I was like, done. You finished? Yes. And I just started to pack up because it was the last phase. I started to pack up and I was like, Lord have mercy, if I don't make this into a video, nah, boo-boo. I was done. Whew, gosh, that was confession number 3. I feel so light. It's a lie. I'm on 40 days fasting. I am hungry. That's probably the lightheadedness because of the hunger. What else have I done? I don't know what else I've done. I don't know. I can't remember anything offhand. But I'm sure I'm going to remember something or have like or I'm not remembering anything. I was thinking my life is going to go that direction. That is going to happen. But yeah, that's just, I can't remember anything offhand, but so that's basically it for this video. This is more of this is really just a confession video. It's me just saying, listen, just please treat your makeup artists, your hairdressers, your nail techs with a little bit of respect. Nah, scratch that, with a whole lot of respect. And anybody who's in customer care, it takes a lot to deal with human beings. Why do you think everybody's going automated now? Because y'all niggas is annoying. You guys get annoying. And it's frustrating. So everybody be outsourcing. Like when they call Digicel, Digicel is that phone company here in Jamaica. You don't hear, hi, welcome to Digicel, how are you? Another Jamaican, you hear, hello. Yes, hello. I'm so sorry. I will check on the account for you now. And I'm just like, one of the time I literally said, are you Jamaican? No, I'm not. No, I want a Jamaican. I'm sorry, we don't. Oh, God damn it. Okay, so my number is, like, they're outsourcing. I don't know if they stopped now because I haven't called them in a while, but they be outsourcing. Treat us with some respect because we treat you with respect. And make no mistake, when you piss off anybody with an artist, and even you even watching this, if anybody gets you mad, you will retaliate, you will react, you will respond. Okay? Alright, so that's it for this little confessions video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, it's a little bit different. I am living for my gig right now, you guys. This look, everything. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really does support my channel. And please go ahead and comment. And I don't know what I want to me. Mama talk, comment also. You can comment. Nothing wrong, good. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Sixth confession or fifth? I don't know what number I am. I filmed 6 videos today. 6. 2 tutorials. 2 tutorials and talking videos. Your girl's tired. Most importantly, I'm hungry.